Welcome to the piano tutorial of BCLC's beginner's lesson. My name is Coach Benji and I'm your piano coach. Okay, so the first thing we need to learn on how to play piano is knowing the names of the keys. Okay, so the keys are just only black and white. So I have here a virtual illustration of a piano. Okay, this is just a portion of it. This is not the whole thing, the whole piano keys. This is just one group. Okay, so look at them, and then I'd like you to look at closely on the black keys. The black keys are patterned. Okay, they have a pattern so that the white keys and the position or the notes are easily to remember. So the first thing is we need to look at the two black keys here. So the two black keys has how many white keys? There are 3 white keys below the 2 black keys. Okay, so we will name them first before we go to the next. Okay, so the names of these keys are named after the alphabets. It's just A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So after G, you go back to A. You don't go H, I, J, K until Z. So there's no such thing as like that in music. So after G, you go back to A. And then it repeats so that you can easily remember those. Okay? Going back to this, to the 2 black keys. Okay, the 3 white keys names there are C. This is the first white key letter on the 2 blacks. C, D, and then E. Okay, so again, this is C, D, and then E. So it's just a put orderly. Okay, so after that we will learn a song from those letters. Okay, do you like to know a song? Okay, so I'd like to teach you a song from the nursery rhyme. So it's called Mary Had a Little Lamb. Okay, so the letters are just this one. Okay, so these are just the letters of your first song. Okay, so you know already 3 white keys now. Okay, so you have the letters of your first song, Mary Had a Little Lamb. You can copy this. Okay, and then we will go to the next part, which is 3 black keys. I'm going to teach you that in the next video. Thank you so much and stay tuned.